Hey everyone, so I'm setting up a flow today that is scraping the AppSumo purchases. This way we can, I don't know what you guys want to grab, the products, I guess when it was redeemed, status, things like that. So what I did so far is I already added my cookies for my profile. This way I can automatically log in, and then I'm going to I'll make Jeremy link that in the description. And then I'm going to edit the go to page step to be going directly to my products page. Then what I can do is click this plus, scrape list, and let's grab the title, and then let's add new column. Let's grab the purchase date, and then we can grab like if it was refunded or not. So I don't know what else you guys want to grab. I don't know if the code base and stuff like that matters. We can grab that instead. I'll go ahead and grab everything, I guess. But yeah, this is scraping that information. The one thing it's missing is pagination. So after we confirm scraping all of these lists, which was just kind of mindlessly clicking on those things and clicking add new column, the next step is this plus, and then record click, and then let's record clicking this button. You probably want to use find by text on this because you guys might have much more pages than I do, or at least some people. So this might be the best bet. Now, what we can do, let's just test that step. Cool, so that goes to the next button. AppSumo has this error even when I'm not in our browser. I don't know what's going on, but it loads the next page. Ignore how many times I've refunded TaskMagic testing things. So as long as everything with AppSumo's site works there, which I've been having some issues in the normal browser, but I think it's been better lately. You guys can also filter out things if you wanted before this starts. That way you can get more precise with your searches, whatever you want to do. So then to make this loop through the steps that I have, I'm going to go ahead and click through all the pages. I'll click setup trigger and then loop. We don't need any Google Sheet data. I only have 2 pages. You'll want to make this how many ever pages you have, and then the schedule doesn't matter. As far as the steps to repeat, we don't want to load the products page every time. We just want to go to that page initially, then we want to scrape everything and then click the last button. Let's go ahead and add a delay at the end here too. That way we have a little bit of time for the page to load. And then let's adjust our loop. And then all we need to do is set up our Google Sheets trigger, or the Google Sheet we're going to send data to. I'll just use this old one from Etsy. Let's do sumo, price, other thing here. I don't remember what they are. Doesn't really matter. I'll click send to Google Sheets, paste the URL, select the worksheet, headers all line up, and then we are good to run this. So I'm going to run this really quick. I'll show you guys the results afterwards. But yeah, let me know what you guys evolved this into, or if there was any other information you guys wanted to grab from this. All right, now that finished up, if I click the data out tab, we will see everything has been scraped here. So let me know how you guys use this type of, I guess, looping in your flows, if you guys handle just using filters, or if you guys use the loop through data trigger. I think the loop through data trigger is easier a lot of times. But yeah, let me know if there's anything else you guys wanted to scrape from this, or if you guys have any issues.